Hello YouTube and Happy New Year! I got a package of locks in last night from Falcon over at keypicking.com. I tried to do an unboxing video, but it took me the better part of 20 minutes to open all the packages, small packages. They were all individually wrapped, so I'm gonna just show you the already unwrapped locks. Let's start with the Boog Vector. Couple of padlocks, one 6-pin, Gamma 700, Boschia, something like that, dimple, Ibis 9750, dimple, BKS 6-pin with 3 side dimples on each side, Wild Ass Keyway. I have no other name for it, so it's the one with crazy keyway. We got a Mul-t-lock 7-pin, a couple of Primuses, Schlag Primus with good bidding, and of course the sidebar, one with key and one without. We got smart key, adjust the housing. We got a couple of sergeants, cabinet wafers, old wing. Interesting. Being from Norway, this is interesting. We got a Magnum, dimple lock, Chicago Lock Company, small padlock, several Corbin Russwins. We're gonna make challenge locks out of those and send it out. And of course 3 wings from Norway. Being from Norway, we collect those. Cross lock or cruciform. 2, 3, 5, 6. I also got a bunch of pins and picks, so thank you for that, Falcon. And of course, the crown jewel. I now have a Brinks RR Brinks Mogul piston cylinder. I'm looking forward to try this one. That's huge. Okay, we have to pick something. So I don't have many dimples on my channel. Let's try the Magnum. Magnum 7-pin. Yep, nothing spectacular. So yeah, I'll try that one. Let's get a vise and get the camera in a little better position. As you can see there, dimple pick and something. Let's see if that one goes. Barely. Yep. Felt something set immediately. Was a couple of shallow cuts. And it's open. Yeah, well. Magnum, 17 dimple, open. Yeah. Stay tuned for the rest of the locks and happy picking.